Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the crystallized mutation fish in Fish It Roblox. So the crystallized mutation is one of the most visually stunning and valuable variant is in Fish It. So here I'm going to show you the crystal depth secrets and what you need to do to get the crystallized mutation. First, you need to have the crystal, the cave crystal, this one's in here. So if you want to know how you can get this one, you can watch my previous video. So now you can just hold the cave crystal first, then you can just click on anywhere to activate the crystallized buff. As you guys can see, now it's activated, so it will only activate for 30 minutes. So you can just now start fishing and hopefully you can get the crystallized mutation. So you can just use your bass rod and bait. If needed, you can also use lac totem like this to get higher chance for the crystallized mutations. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.